Welcome Squad and welcome to Slav Guns. I'm glad to have you here. We're continuing our ongoing SHOT Show 2020 coverage with SHOT Show at the range. So, one of the press releases that you were most excited about, especially once I posted a picture on it, was this guy, the Springfield Armory Saint Edge pistol. And I'm here with Mike Humphreys from Springfield, who's going to be here to talk about it.
All right. Thank you so much for coming by. Why don't we go ahead and go over the basics of what the gun is and then what makes it special and how it operates. Sound good? All right. So what we have is the Saint Edge EVAC pistol. This is a 5.56 millimeter pistol. This is a wrist brace, and this is a folder. In addition to this being a folder, this is a barrel takedown system. So why don't we go ahead and go through the process here so you can see how this works.
Show me.
All right, so first step will be to lock the bolt back, which we've done to show the gun is clear. So once we've done that, we're going to pull down on this tab, rotate the barrel assembly, lift it out. Once we've done that, we're going to ease the bolt forward so then we can press this folding button and fold the stock. So the end result is that this 5.56 pistol has folded down into that package size. Now, we don't have it here with us today, but this is going to come with a zippered case that this is going to fit in with. It's going to come with a 120-round PMAG magazine, and it fits into a small zippered case that we've been able to get into things as small as like a large handgun safe.
Now, for you guys that know me, you know I'm a sucker for nice packaging. So I love the upgraded Ruger packaging. I love the Zevo Z9 packaging. And I was a huge fan of the packaging you guys did with the Hellcat. So seeing that nice package with this is like, I don't care about the gun. I'm sure it's nice because it comes in a nice box.
We'll just send you one of the zippered cases then. How's that sound?
That works. We'll do a review on the case.
This is a really interesting gun. And a couple other little features. It has like a Reptilla compact pistol grip, and as I mentioned, the PMAG 20-round magazine to get the height of this shorter as well to get it into the small zipper case. The MSRP on it's going to be $1,949, and as I said, it's a spring 2020 release, so keep an eye out for it.
Okay. Now, what's the practical use for this? Who would be the target buyer? Besides it's freaking cool and I gotta have it.
There is a certain engineering wow factor to this. Is going to make it appealing to gearheads. But the way we look at it, I mean, we'll sell it to whoever wants it, but the way we're picturing it is a, kind of a survival mindset, discreet storage, like under the seat of your truck, in a float plane storage case, something like that. It's a lot of defensive firepower in a very minute package.
Now, from this packaging as it is, how long does it take to put together and become operational?
All right, so what you would do is you would lock the wrist brace open, you would lock the bolt back, you would take the barrel assembly, align the gas tube in there, get that lined up, get it ratcheted in, locked, it's ready to go.
So one of the concerns that people would have with a system like this, what's the return to zero ability of the gun?
We've been testing it, and we have noticed we have noticed no appreciable change in point of impact at the distances that you would use a pistol like this. I mean, it's not a 400 or 500 yard gun, but 50 to 100 yards, we've noticed it pretty much goes back to zero.
Awesome. So there you go. The first look at the brand new, just announced Springfield Saint Edge EVAC pistol. Thank you for having me, Mike.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys coming by.
All right, let's continue on.